In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyframes in CapCut to animate text. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, professional text fade using simple keyframes, and you'll understand what's happening behind the scenes so you can apply the same idea to other properties later. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Think of this as your workspace. Bring in your footage by adding your video to the timeline. This becomes the background layer your animated text will sit on, so make sure it's the clip you want and trimmed roughly to the right length. Next, add your text. Use the text tool to type your title, subtitle, or any label you need. Pick a font that matches your video's style, adjust size and color, and place it where you want it to appear on screen. You can always tweak position and alignment as you go, but it's helpful to set a starting look now. Before animating, add any effects or styling you want on the text. This could be a subtle shadow, a stroke for legibility, or a preset style that matches your brand. Doing this first ensures your animation reflects the final look, not a temporary placeholder. With the text clip selected, find the opacity control. Lower the opacity to make the text invisible or barely visible at the start of the animation. Now click the Keyframe button. That little diamond tells CapCut to remember the text's current opacity at this exact point in time. Move the playhead forward to where you want the fade to finish. This timing is personal preference. Shorter distances create a quick pop. Longer distances create a smooth, cinematic reveal. With the playhead in place, set the opacity back to 100%, then click the Keyframe button again. You've just created two keyframes, one with low opacity and one with full opacity. CapCut will automatically animate the change between them. Press play to preview the video. Watch how the text fades in precisely between those 2 points. If it feels too fast, repeat the Adjust Playhead step and set the second keyframe a little farther out. If it feels slow, move it closer. Small timing tweaks make a big difference. That's the core of keyframing. Set a value, move in time, set a new value. You can use the same approach for position, scale, and rotation once you're comfortable. For now, enjoy your clean, customizable text fade and keep refining until it matches your video's pace and mood.